Is there anything more beautiful than a clean, shiny Blackstone ready to go? I don't think so. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the set. So glad that you guys are here. Now, if you're a new Blackstone owner, there's some things that you gotta know. And honestly, outside of how to season your Blackstone, the next most important thing is how to clean your Blackstone. So today, I'm gonna show you how I like to clean mine and how you should definitely be cleaning yours. So, here on the set, we like to ring it and bring it. Let's get ready to do this. Oh.
Okay.
There we go. Apparently it's our first time doing this.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Now the beauty of Blackstones is that you really can do anything, anytime, anywhere. And I have done it all, including all the people that are here on our Blackstone network, all the pros. We've made so many delicious recipes, including the smash burgers, the quesadillas, the tacos, the cheesesteaks, the cheesesteaks, the grilled cheese. And a lot of times I do stir fries or Asian dishes. And with those Asian dishes, you're gonna get saucy. And in those sauces is sugars, and they burn. That's exactly what happens whenever you start to see all that gunk on your Blackstone. Just like mine today. I actually just finished making this awesome steak fried rice recipe. Actually, it was steak and fried rice. That's neither here nor there. But it got nasty, so I'm gonna show you how you do it. Follow 3 simple steps. You gotta clean it, you gotta steam it, you gotta make it shiny. If you can keep that in mind, you are good to go on this process. So first thing I'm gonna do is start by cranking up my heat. You want this high heat smoking. Now here's where it gets fun. Grab a scraper or a spatula and you're gonna just start scraping away. It's time to clean this bad boy up. I've got little bits of rice that have burnt, some peas and carrots, and of course all this black gunk. This is the sugar from the sauces. And as you see, it scrapes right up. Now all the other little bits, I'm gonna push that out the back and basically get this to a place where it's pretty clean. Now comes the steaming part. I've got some water. Again, everything is on high and start to steam. As soon as you see the water hit the griddle, you start to see all this gunk and bubbles and all these things that you didn't even notice were there start to rise to the top. Then you get your scraper and slide that out the back. We're not wanting to keep that water and dry it off. You want to just move that out the back so you can get rid of all of the junk and all of the debris. Once you've done this a few times, and you probably will need to do it a few times, because you'll think it's done, but then you spray it on a spot, it starts to go brown again. This is the whole point of steaming it. And last but certainly not least, it's time to make it shiny. Now, if you have the Blackstone seasoning and conditioner, I highly recommend you use it. But if you don't, you can use any kind of oil that you have. Today, I'm using olive oil. A thin coat is what I'm looking for. So grab a paper towel or a couple paper towels and some tongs and just start to wipe away. You wanna make sure that you get all across the griddle, including the sides and the back and even the front. Now, you'll notice it's getting shiny. And that's the whole point. You clean it, you steam it, you get it shiny, and now you're officially ready for your next cook. Speaking of cooks, you're already here. You might as well browse the Blackstone network. We have got cooks for every kind of person out there. I have a show, CJ's First Cooking Show, obviously the best show, but we've got Nate, we've got Betty, we got Todd, we got Hussey. We've got all kinds of other people that are making everything that you could possibly imagine on your Blackstone. You definitely want to make sure that you check it out. Also, like and subscribe so you get a notification anytime one of our videos comes out. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for everything else that you need concerning your Blackstone. In the meantime, my name is CJ. This is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook
and we quote
and we clean it, and we steam it.
We barely made it.
And make it shiny.
What did you say?